If you are using Instagram on Android and you are tired of the app suggesting locations or worse, tracking your movements, this is one and done fix. We aren't going into Instagram settings, we're going straight to the core of your phone to turn off the GPS access completely. This makes the map feature blind. The first step is to open the master control panel on your phone. On your phone's main settings app, you need to find the section that manages all the applications installed on your phone. Scroll down until you see Apps or App Management or Applications. Tap on it. In this list, you'll see every app installed. Scroll down to find and select Instagram. You are now inside Instagram's control panel on your phone. Look for a section titled Permissions. Tap on Permissions. This screen shows everything Instagram is allowed to access: camera, microphone, storage, and location. Find and tap on Location. You will likely see options like Allow Only while using the app, Ask Every Time, or Do Not Allow. Select the most restrictive option, which is usually Do Not Allow or Deny. That's it. By setting Instagram's location permission to Do Not Allow, you have effectively blinded the app. It can no longer use your phone's GPS data, which means it cannot tag your exact current location on the map, nor will it pester you with location based suggestions. You are now in control of your privacy.